Hello everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for the Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to sign in into the Prime Video account of yours. So to do that, open a Google browser or any other browser on your PC or in your laptop. Then on the search bar, you type in primevideo.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page where you will need to click on sign in over here and the top right, click that. Now to sign in, you will need to provide the details, that is the email address and password. Type in the email address, then type in the password, and then click on sign in. Once you sign in, you will be able to log in into the account of yours. So this is how you can sign in into the Prime Video account of yours. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.